Les articles indéfinis. Indefinite articles in French. So what is article? Article we place before the noun. But in French, every noun has gender, and we place the article according to their gender and numbers. So what is the indefinite articles? When we talk about something not something general or something not specific, that is called indefinite articles in French. So there are three types of indefinite articles in French. A for masculine singular, you use for masculine singular, in for feminine singular, and they is used for plural. Here there are some example of indefinite articles. So let's understand what is it. Chien. Chien means dog. Chien is masculine. In French, chien is masculine. Now we will see here the indefinite article un. Un chien, a dog, because it is singular and masculine. Then un chien. Next, garçon. Garçon means boy, and here it is masculine and singular, so un garçon. Now we'll see stylo. Stylo means pen. Stylo is also masculine, singular. Then we will put what? Un stylo, a pen. Now we'll see pomme. Pomme means an apple, but in French it is feminine and it is singular also. So what we will put? In pomme, an apple. An apple. Next, table. Table is feminine in French. So what we will put? In table. Next, voiture. Voiture means car. So voiture is also feminine in French and it is singular. Then we will put what? In voiture. Now we will see fleur. S in the end of letter. Fleur. Fleur means flowers. Then what we will put? Des fleurs means some flowers. Next, crayons. Crayons means pencils. Crayons means pencil and it is plural. It is plural. So what we will put? Des crayons. Des crayons. Some pencil. E voilà, merci d'avoir regardé la vidéo. Si vous voulez encore des vidéos comme ça, abonnez-vous sur ma chaîne à Coucou French Corner. À bientôt!